Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving from Spanish Town to Spanish Town Road. So we just drove out of Spanish Town and we are on Mandela Highway. We're going to head on to Spanish Town Road. So on the left, if we take that left turn, that will take us on to the Edward-Seaga Highway, which takes us to Ocho Rios. But we're staying on Mandela Highway and heading towards Spanish Town Road. So basically we are driving into the city of Kingston from Spanish Town. So this is the route you would take. Now I just want to point out, because a lot of people get confused, the city of Kingston is different from the parish of Kingston. Now Jamaica has 14 parishes. This parish of Kingston is the smallest, and you have the parish of St. Andrew. So the city of Kingston consists of places in the parish of St. Andrew and places in the parish of Kingston. So we are driving from Spanish Town, which is located in the parish of St. Catherine, to the city of Kingston. So if we were to turn right, we would go into Portmore, and Portmore is going to become a parish very soon. Currently it's in the parish of St. Catherine. So now, depending on the source you use, if you go into Google will tell you that St. Anne is the largest parish in Jamaica, but some other sources will tell you that St. Catherine is the largest parish in Jamaica. However, once Portmore becomes its own parish, I don't think we'll have that dispute anymore, because St. Catherine is going to get a lot smaller. Okay, so we are coming up on Mandela. It's going to turn into 6 lanes, 3 on each side. And on the left side of this concrete barricade, that's where the traffic from the PJ Patterson Highway will merge with Mandela Highway, and an extra lane is here, so it becomes 6 lanes now. As you can see, this section of the road is very nice, and Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. It's 3 lanes on this side, 3 lanes on the other side. Today is a Sunday, so it's not that busy, but during the week, especially in the peak traffic hours from like 5 to 8, the lanes on the right are like bumper to bumper traffic. Okay, on the left is the ferry area, and there you can see the sign that says "Welcome to St. Andrew." So we're entering the parish of St. Andrew now. But we are in the city of Kingston now. They should have a sign that says "Welcome to the city of Kingston." Actually, I don't think we've entered the city of Kingston yet, because I think the city boundary is 6 miles. Okay, so on the left now is the Ferry Industrial Complex. And that's where you have a lot of warehouses. Actually, we are in the city of Kingston now. So remember, the city of Kingston includes parts of the parish of St. Andrew and parts of the parish of Kingston. So straight ahead now, there's an intersection. If we go straight, we go on to Mandela. We go from Mandela Highway to Washington Boulevard. And if we turn right, we go on to Spanish Town Road. So we're going to turn right and head on to Spanish Town Road. So this is the intersection. Those cars that are going straight are going on to Washington Boulevard. So we're now on Spanish Town Road. And Spanish Town Road is in the process of being renovated, so it's going to look more like Mandela Highway. And the road works has started already. It's being done in 2 phases. Phase 1 is the laying of pipes. National Water Commission is laying the pipes. Once they are finished, the paving of the road will start. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.